The next knife that we're going to use is the big brother, the 10-inch chef's knife. And we'll take an onion, cut it in the mids, okay? And we can just cut very thinly and do our lyonnaise. Or, in very simple terms, finely sliced onions. Okay? Or, we can just simply dice our onions for whatever need there is. For stir fries, for salads. Or, we can palm the onion and slit it if we want to mince it. We can slit it about 5 or 6 times. Slit it across and follow the grain by slitting it across. So never feed your hand to the blade. Okay? Keep your fingers curled and proceed by slicing it now. And you've got a brunoise of onions. Okay? And what you want to do here now is to continue slicing the uncut part. Now, we put it in a vertical line. And we use the guiding hand by mincing the onions now. Let's fillet this whole side of salmon by using our chef's knife. And we've got our side of salmon. Let's talk about garlic. Garlic is not a problem when you have a world-class knife. Take a look. You know, you want to do a la pobre, all you got to do is this. If you want to mince your garlic, that's a totally different story. The knife is sturdy enough for mincing. There you go. And you can have your minced garlic. Not bad for a Pinoy knife.